What is up, ladies and gentlemen? How is everybody feeling tonight? If everything is good, if y'all can hear me, if y'all can see me, hit up a quick 1 to 10 in the chats. Okay. I'm just getting set up over here. Again, got my momentum, got my parabolic. Everything is on set. Okay. Hit up the chat. Tell me how well you guys can hear me from 1 to 10. See me, hear me. And of course, guys, drop that like button. Drop that like button so we can understand how we're doing. Like the stream, and YouTube is going to notice us, guys. Finally, YouTube is going to notice us. Okay? As we're getting set up, everybody is getting connected. Everybody's talking in the comments, liking our stream. Just a quick warning for you guys. There is a 7 to 10 second delay on YouTube, and this can affect the results of your trade. Not only can, but most likely it will affect the effect of your trade. So, if you guys want to trade live with me, looking at my signals, copying what I do, I suggest you guys move over to my Telegram channel. The signals over there are delivered second by second with no delay. So I'm going to send the Telegram link right now. And it's also going to be in the channel description. So yeah. About the Telegram session, I don't know if I have a lot of users from my Telegram today, but about the Telegram session will take place right after the stream. By the way, how do you guys like the new kind of format that we have, the three sessions per day? Let me know if you guys liked it, not, something like that. But yeah, because this week, with the 3 sessions and everything, we earned 1.5 times more than before. So it was about over $100,000 this week. And there was still volatility again this morning due to Iran. But guys, it's nothing serious. Nothing. We still have 2 more sessions today. And we'll definitely end the day in profit. What do we got here? 92s. Let's add a little bit of, no, I don't want USD today. Okay. Probably going to take these out in a while. Oh, and guys, how could I have forgot? There's one more announcement that I'm going to make before the beginning of our stream. Today, during the stream, we will be giving away money. So put +++ in the chat if you've already connected to my Pocket Alpha app. Today, during the live sessions, we'll be giving away money to those who have connected and completed the first stage of trading. So yeah, stay tuned, and who knows? You might even be one of the winners, guys. So yeah, during the stream, I'm going to hit up a randomizer wheel I've got set up. And yeah, we'll see who has won the cash. Again, guys, this is for Pocket Alpha and everything else. Okay. Hit up the pluses in the chat as well. No, pluses is about the Pocket Alpha. 1 to 10 pluses. Right ready. If you guys got your trading pocket option open, if you've hopped over to Telegram, if you guys are ready and trying to do this seriously. Once again, guys, I will be working with 2 indicators. I've been working with them on the stream for like the past month. Parabolic and momentum. Parabolic are these dots that we have here. Momentum is the dots that we have here. Parabolic shows us the beginning of trends, and momentum shows which side is more likable, the sellers or the buyers. So stuff like that. All I want you guys to do, drop some likes in the chat, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because it will boost our stream and help push to the top of YouTube. And we will be above everybody else. Because the world needs to know about this. It's the only reason that I started doing this. Time 2 minutes. My Telegram people know that that is wrong. Quick 1 minute. Starting off our trades as we usually do. 500, 264. Okay. Drop likes. I think we're ready to trade. And as I was speaking, we have a very interesting thing going on AUD, CNY. We have the beginning of a downtrend, what parabolic shows us, and the momentum is going a little red down there as well. So we are going to sell. Boom, right there. First trade of the stream. AUD, CNY, got my papers, got everything. AUD, CNY. Yeah, 500, 500. We could have waited a little bit more because it was just the beginning. These aren't the biggest bars in the momentum, but we did go sell. And yeah, 2 indicators. The third is still red. Okay. Yeah. So we're starting off with a loss today, $0. That was a little bit weird because our parabolic and momentum showed everything else. I have a question about how to turn on the indicators. So right now, the site over here, we have this icon with looks like DJ settings. Turn that on, and here we have all of our indicators. All of our indicators that we can use, not use. We got the accelerator, we got the bull's power, but right now we're using momentum and parabolic SAR. So I have them in favorites, but all you got to do is just click on them, and yeah. I clicked it 2 times, but okay, so now we deleted them. Go over here, boop, hit momentum, got that over there, hit parabolic, got that over there. Boom, right there. Yeah, AUD CNY was a little bit weird. A little bit weird. Big uptrend on AUD CAD. We're going to wait what goes on in there. AUD CHF, big down. AUD NZD, big down. Beginning of an uptrend on EUR NZD. Beginning of an uptrend on EUR NZD. Let's see what we can do here. I want to wait for the third indicator. I want to wait for the third dot on the parabolic. Right there. Boom. That's green. Buy. That's a pretty big momentum. We haven't really seen that before. Indicators are showing up. Parabolic is showing up. Momentum is showing up. Try and see what we got going on over here. Okay. The fuck is going on with the indicators today? Why the hell are we... Okay. I guess then just screw EUR and ZD. And it still goes up. And it... Yeah, I should have waited a little bit more. If I hit it up like right here, something else. Okay, write that down. 2 losses in a row. EUR NZD. We went by. $0, loss. Okay. Going on to the third. Right now we have $1,000. That just disappeared, but that's okay. Beginning of an uptrend. Momentum shows us something else. EURNZD, I did not like that move. I'm not going to work with you today. Fuck out of here. ADNZD, let's see what we have going on here. ADCNY, yeah, we have that open, downtrend. Yeah, but I'm trying to remember what we had in the news in the morning because those two things just, yeah, actually, yeah. I remember since the morning, the markets, they are acting a little bit weird, a little bit weird. Strange and erratic, someone might say. And you guys noticed on the first two trades that we did. That's normal. As you guys know, there's a lot of interesting news going on right now. A lot about Iran, about everything else. And yeah, that's what's causing all of this volatility. Because you can look at the indicators. You guys remember all my other trades. But the key is to work consistently. The key is to work consistently. If we don't work consistently, none of this makes any sense. Big downtrend. Big downtrend. AUDCAD. Beginning of a down. Right there. We have not had trades on AUDCAD. Beginning of a downtrend, but it's still going. It's going a little bit crazy. Let's try and see how it's going to act out. I think we should come back to this one. AUDCAD. If it's not going to go again in a uptrend, but I'm pretty sure it should be down. Time for a down. I have a question from the chat. Why I put a minute, if not two, because on the sessions, we do control on we trade on 2 minutes, and yeah, I on streams I like to do it in 1 minute because it's more dynamic. You know, if we had 2 minutes, you guys would just fucking fall asleep, just out here talking, waiting, looking. A minute, just kind of faster and everything else. Once again, guys, on live streams, this is more of a chatting, community vibes, having fun for more people to join the Telegram. Again, serious trading should be done only during the sessions that I have in Telegram. Yeah, so that's that. That's the answer to that question. I have nothing here, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. I like this as well. Because our parabolic shows us an uptrend. Nothing shows us here that it's an uptrend. It's not going anywhere. Yeah, it's pretty interesting things are kind of going on right now. ADUSD. CAD, beginning of a down. Parabolics showing momentum is asleep for some reason. CADJPY. Beginning of a down, momentum, sell. Boom, right there, just like that. Jump the fuck out of here. 500, still on the line, our third trade. Our third trade of CADJPY. CADJPY. Yo, if the market wants to fight me, come on, bruh. I'm ready. I don't tell you guys to do this, all of that stuff, everything else. But this is getting me a little. I don't understand. I don't know what's going on. Um, of course, volatility, everything else, we understand. But when my favorite indicators screw me over 3 times in a row, and I'm fucking looking for it, y'all think y'all can scare me? Y'all think y'all can scare me? 1,500, boom, on the line, just right there. CAD, JPY. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, bruh. I'm gonna get you. What you need, what you need, what you see. 92. We don't really go over here that often, but okay. I really want nothing to do with AUD. AUD is not my favorite at the moment. EUR and ZD. What's going on here? EUR. EUR USD. Right now, guys. Right now, we're looking for that. We're looking for that one bit that we can just get. Downtrend. Momentum is green. EUR JBP 1,500 momentum. Sell. EUR JBP sell 1,500 on the line. I don't like this little green bit right there. Everything's red here. Momentum is down. Got 1,500. I pushed up 1,500 just to kind of come back from the 3 losses of 500 in a row that we've had. Motherfucker, I swear, if you turn green right now. Yeah, that's right. Be scared of me. Crazy person, I'm talking to the market. Yeah. Oh, it's playing mind games with me. 5, 4. Okay, thank God. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, bro. 5. We got EUR. I wasn't even writing this down. Yes, we went. 2,800. Ladies and gentlemen, our first win of the stream. And I'm liking that. I'm liking. Got a question from the chat about how SAR works, about our parabolic. So the parabolic indicator, this one right here, is these dots that we get over all of the candles and stuff like that. We have dots that are down low, we have dots that are above. All that parabolic does is it shows us the momentum when short-term trends and impulses appear in the market. So over here on AUD and ZD, we have a beginning of an uptrend. So it's important not to only look where the dots are, but the distance between the price and the dots and how it changes. So during a short trend, as we see over here in parabolic, these 2 dots, that's the beginning of an uptrend. So parabolic is thinking it's going up, right? When we see trades like this, or what we have going on in AUD CHF, like this, you see, big downtrend, and technically it's going to be going down. The momentum shows red as well. I don't touch those, and I don't want you guys to touch those as well, because it's not really going to give you anything, because we have that little thing right there that little thing, it's gonna pop over and everything else. So what we're really looking for in all of these indicators is they kind of synchronize when they go in parallel. So why am I not trading, for example, on AUD and ZD over here? I'm not doing it because technically it's the beginning of an uptrend on the parabolic and I'm seeing it, but it's the beginning of an uptrend. I'm looking down at momentum over here. Bars are red. They're not showing me that it's actually going to go up. And all I'm waiting for is this over here. Yeah. I have another question from the chat. If I have 200, how much should I be doing each trade during a session? So 200 bucks. The answer is pretty simple. 10 to 20% of your capital. In your case, I would start with 20 bucks per trade and then gradually increase it over time. Again, very important. Gradually increase it over time. Not just go all out. And yeah, the volatility is very high. So look at this. What is this? There's no beginning of trends and stuff like that. That's the beginning. 4, 5. We went buy on GOD, JOD, CNY, GOD. So, from high school, I remember that. GOD, I remember that. Say GO, say GOD, say OD. Yeah, we decided to go buy again because we're still in the beginning of the uptrend. Parabolic SAR shows that our momentum shows us that we're going green. And this is, I already feel it, it's going to be the centimeters game. Like if we're 20 seconds and we have this kind of thing going on. Usually I wait for it to kind of, if I want to go buy right before the trade, I wait for it to do a quick little dip in there. 3, 2, 1. Boom. Okay, good. I'm liking this. I am liking this. I am getting back my little move and my little groove. Yeah? Of course. That's exactly what I'm doing. $2,880 back-to-back win 2 times. All of the losses that we've had at the beginning, long gone. That money is back and plentiful. Like the cornucopia. By the way, guys, if you spot signals based on strategy on any other charts, drop them in the chat, okay? Because I'm not looking on any other charts right now. I'm only parabolic momentum, kind of talking to you guys, answering the questions and stuff like that. It's not just me giving you signals, guys. You have a whole community in the comment section over there. Talk, share, everything else. So yeah. So I understand how bad the YouTube delay is. So we went on JOD CNY. I had a win, 2-8. I want to see how you guys did. So if you had a win on that trade, I know this one is not a little bit fair. It's not that fair because I was in my groove a little bit. I didn't really use my talking abilities, and I just kind of switched over to JOD and everything else. We have a question from the chat. What's going to be the period for the momentum over there? And it's just standard settings. I don't really do anything about it. So look, we got the momentum. I can delete it. Boop. It's not there anymore. Standard settings. Standard settings on momentum time. Okay. So what do we have right now? Let's we have a solid good 25 minutes of stream. 25, um, going into the middle, the equator, if you could say. One could say. Three losses in a row. AUD, CNY, AURNZD, CAD, JPY. I'm saying volatility because y'all guys saw what the hell was going on over there, and that was a little ridiculous. So, working from parabolic and momentum, we were kind of going groovy very well. Everything that worked on other streams. That's why you always have to kind of test out with. That's why I don't start off my streams. I don't start off my trades with like 5,000 and stuff like that. Just so you can understand how it's doing at this minute right now. Even if you traded like in half an hour ago. Just right now, just kind of feel it out. So three losses in a row. The moment we went up to 1,500, two wins in a row of 92%, both of $2,880. So yeah. Got another question in the chat. What's up? What we got? I'm using got a user. He's saying that he's using a stochastic oscillator and a Bollinger Bands, and candle reversal patterns is a good strategy. Yeah, it is a good strategy. It's good. Personally, I don't really like trading reversals. I prefer the trend based. Kind of, you can read it, you can see what's been going on. If you had a feel for it, if you know that this pair is kind of not on it, stuff like that. But if you guys are good at trading pullbacks, that's great. Quick respect. I guess you can say I'm more of a trend based trader. No beginning of trends. Fuck, CAD, CHF, we could have went there. You are, ooh. Beginning of a trend, beginning of an uptrend. This is going green right now. Let's look at the fourth. Okay. Buy. Boom, right there. EURCHF buy. That's what I went for. As per again, our parabolic shows us up. The last two showed us yeah, well, okay. So right now I have a question about momentum. And I've had a question in the chat not a while back about what exactly momentum indicates. So momentum, it just shows the speed of price changes. It just shows the faster the price moves up or down, the stronger the impulse that we get over here. Yeah. The larger the bars are, the more the impulse and stronger it's going to be. Come on, don't screw me over. Just give me, okay, yeah. EURCHF. Loss. 1,500. Okay. Yeah, and it just shows us how strong the advantage is. So let me just kind of break down on the example of this trade that we had. So EURCHF, we've had parabolic that shows up, and we've had these two little momentums that also show up. But the problem is that all of these momentums have to be green. So this one, this one, this one, and this one. See, the first dot of an uptrend is the same green over here, if it's a big green, you hit the jackpot. And I'm pretty sure this is what screwed me up. So I saw the parabolic, I saw the green, the little first green right here, the big green over there, and I started my trade on the 4th. And I started it when it was like right here, and that's why I kind of screwed over. So, yeah, today's very volatile, I don't know the last time I've seen something like that, but let's see what's going on down here. You are in ZD. I don't even want to look there. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. I'm waiting for the perfect trade right now. I want a good one. See, big uptrend. That's why it's important to use these at the same time. Big uptrend that we see on parabolics, but as we see here, it's going only down. Right now, it's going a little bit up, but it's not the beginning of the trend, so we're gonna go down, use a little bit of different stuff. Omar CNY. Okay. We want sell on OMR CNY. Okay. Yeah. Omar CNY. Freaking 10 seconds. Okay. Omar CNY. Loss over there. I am going to you guys. I'm going to you. I want to see how you guys are doing on our trades. Okay. So let's see. Let's open up a trade. Let's open up a trade. I want you guys to give me signals right now. So real quick, ADCNY, EADCNY. My indicator's got a beginning of a downtrend. Momentum is showing me green, but as we understood, remember, you guys remember how like a week ago or a couple of weeks, we used to kind of use chat signals and stuff like that. So since the market, guys, is crazy today, I say let's have a fun. I'll open the pair and you guys write the direction in the chat. Okay, I got ADCNY, 23, ADCNY, ADCNY. Beginning of a downtrend. Hit up the comments and what should we do about that? And I guess if we're having fun, let's have fun. If I'm using your guys's, and I believe you guys, bro, last week over 100 grand with the volatility of the markets in my Telegram channel. So I need you guys. Just the same way that you guys need me sometimes. I have $3,000 on the line. $3,000 on the line. AEDCNY OTC. Where are we going? Up or down? Up or down? Sorry, guys. Got a quick little issue right now in my phone. I'm going to be a kind of sometimes there, sometimes over here. Okay. Okay, we got a bunch of buy. We got a bunch of buy. We got a bunch of ups. Okay. $3,000. ADCNY. We went up. We went buy. Let's see. Let's see how it's gonna go. $3,000. And as y'all see, it's not, okay. I mean, I'm trusting you guys. I trust you guys. I trust you with this one. Got 20 seconds. Yep, just, ADCNY. The pair that we started off with. At first, it took away only $500 from me. Right now, I'm $3,000 down the line. But I still believe all of my users. And we are a family, you guys. You understand that? You understand? So let's try it again. AUD NZD on the line. Where are we going? Again, guys, parabolic. Parabolic shows us a beginning of a downtrend. Same thing that I told you guys on the last one on AUDCNY. But you guys told me go up, and I went up. And I went up. So, we had a loss, and what does that mean? What does that mean when you have a loss? 7 years ago, I'd be crying under my bed. Right now, 4,000. Boom, right there. Let's go. AUDNZD, 4K on the line. Beginning of a downtrend on parabolic. Momentum shows us crazy greens for a long while. What we going? Where are we going, guys? Buy, sell, up, maybe down. Hit up the chats, hit up the comments, and like the stream. Like the stream, guys. Like the stream. AUDNZD. What we got here in the comments? Sell. Majority is a good sell. Boom, sell right there. 4,000. AUDNZD. The hell is going on today? I'm liking this one. Ooh, I'm liking this one, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Still downtrend on the parabolic. Reds. Guys, I got a lot of people in the comments just saying, bro, don't do it. Bro, don't do it. Don't go up. Guys, again, $100,000 in a week. Let's have some fun. I think we can have fun once a week. Again, we can afford to have that fun. And especially when we fucking win with that. You understand what just happened? $7,680 just from you guys, just from your comments. I love you guys. I love you guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's just beautiful, amazing, amazing and beautiful AUD. NZD win of 7,680 buckaroos. Ladies and gentlemen, that was amazing. I could say that was fucking amazing. It's ridiculous. AUD NZD. AUDCHF. Let's maybe try this one. Maybe go into a different way. Okay. Okay, guys. AUDCHF. Read the market. Take one more trade based on your signals. Your signals, guys. AUDCHF. What we're thinking about right now is AUDCHF. Up, down. Where are we going? Where are we going? Okay. AUDCHF, we've just had a solid win. Solid. I'm going to keep it at 4K. Not going to go to 5. AUDCHF, strong, not as strong, but a downtrend, the beginning of one. Momentum is still showing us green. Pretty much only green. It's also kind of ridiculous, but okay. Sell. Went sell on the AUDCHF. And the moment I went sell, it just hit a solid gazer into the skies. Okay, we got 20 seconds. Let's see what it's gonna do. That's some Yellowstone type stuff. Some Yellowstone. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. 3, 2, 1. And that's how that works. That's how that works, guys. I'm not a saint. That's exactly what I'm saying. And it's the whole reason of all these streams. So y'all can see I lose as well. Everybody loses. Everybody loses. But ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the point that I think it's time to move on to something happy. Okay? I think it's time to give away 3 prizes of $100 each among those who have completed the first stage of training in my Pocket Alpha app. So I got a randomizer right here. Boom. Got my randomizer. Yeah. So I got all the users over here. And yeah. Hit up the chat, hit up the pluses. If maybe you guys see your names, stuff like that. If I have users right now on the stream, in a solid 10 seconds, I'm going to start spinning. And we're going to get the winners, guys. Okay? I'm nervous. I'm nervous, guys. I'm nervous. I don't know why I'm nervous. I think you guys should be nervous, but this is pretty cool. You guys ready? Hit up ready in the chats, hit up pluses, hit up likes, subscribe if you haven't. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, Veronica Augusto, Veronica, 863-630-4712. Congratulations. Our first winner, Veronica. Veronica, if you're here in the stream, in the chats, if you guys hear me, congratulations. Let's move over to the next winner, our second winner. Ladies and gentlemen, the wheel is spinning. Naeem, congratulations. 836-904-0572. Naeem, congratulations, my man. Congratulations. You just won $100. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our last winner of today's stream. Our last winner of $100. I feel you guys just glued to the screens right now, hoping that it's going to be your name. And the wheel is spinning, What we see, what do we get? What do we see? What do we get? Boom! Godfather. 839-612-0309. Congratulations, Godfather. Congratulations, Naeem. Congratulations, Veronica. Congratulations to all of you guys. After the stream, I'll contact you and I'll send you guys your winnings. And if you haven't joined yet, make sure to connect. Guys, honestly, this is a very great app. It includes training, we got AI signals, and just many other useful tools. So, yeah. And I'm going to keep using these giveaways to kind of promote and stuff like that. Next time we'll be giving away even more money. And there will be more winners. Not only 3, still thinking on the number, stuff like that. Also, guys, the second training module will be available soon. I know you guys are waiting for it. It is going to include a lot of valuable information and insights about professional trading. And I'll drop the app link in the chat right now. Yeah, so congratulations, Naomi. Congratulations, Veronica. Congratulations, Godfather. Okay, guys, I think we've had fun. We've had a very good trade. Very good trade. You guys helped me out. Market, volatile, maybe not the best, but I had fun. We had fun with the congratulations on Naomi and everything else. Guys, again, in the comments and everything else, I see all of your messages saying that your name isn't listed here. The giveaway is open only to those who sent me their certificates. If I missed you guys, I'll definitely include you in the next giveaway. And the next giveaway is going to be more money and there's going to be more winners. So I don't think that should be an issue. Yeah. So thank you very much, guys. And yeah. Peace out. I'll see you guys in the next streams.